Alright guys and girls, Matt here from MKM Touring Australia. I'm just about to fit my latest addition from San Hima. So I'm looking at putting in a shower and awning tent. I've already got the San Hima, the 270 installed on the vehicle. So looking now at fitting off, of course, the shower and awning tent to the car. Alright guys, see how we go. Uru for now. Unboxing of the San Hima awning shower tent or toilet tent. As you can see, the nice bright orange and the nice black bag like normal. Of course, everything comes installed in the kit. Comes with a bunch of instructions, of course. We'll go through those shortly. A bag of accessories, which also feels like they're going to have some wrenches, awning brackets, nuts and bolts in there. Alright, and of course the awning. Alright guys, stay tuned. Unboxing of the San Hima awning shower tent or toilet tent. As you can see, the nice bright orange and the nice black bag like normal. Of course, everything comes installed in the kit. Comes with a bunch of instructions, of course. We'll go through those shortly. A bag of accessories, which also feels like they're going to have some wrenches, awning brackets, nuts and bolts in there. There you go guys and girls, so that is the San Hima toilet shower tent now fitted, set up on my Range Rover. As you can see, there is a slight curve due to the roof rack being back a fair way, so I might in future look at pushing that out a bit further if I need to, but it is fairly big where it is. Sorry guys, excuse the sun today. Not normally sunny here in Melbourne in winter, like always, but yeah, there you go. Alright guys, you're for now. Alright guys and girls, one thing I did notice with this San Hima shower awning tent are these brackets here, and of course here. Just make sure guys, when you do actually buy one and set it up, go around with a 10mm socket and actually tighten all the nuts, here, here and here on both sides. This one that I ordered and got in, these things are pretty much just finger tight, so just make sure before you actually take it out on the road that you go around and check all the nuts and bolts on this unit to make sure they are secure. Alright guys, you can also see that it actually does come with its own 12-volt built-in LED light strip. Unfortunately, the only problem is it's only one colour, and also it doesn't have an on and off switch on it alone. It just has a 12-volt cable that I got plugged into a 12-volt socket via USB-A. So, but yeah guys, unfortunately, it just does not have an on and off switch, so it's either on all the time or you have to unplug it to switch it off. Alright guys and girls, I found that after actually securing up the brackets at the top a little bit better, the thing is now sitting square. So just make sure that you do, 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver, go around, give them all a nip up, not too tight. I realise that it's only very thin wall, probably 1mm box tubing, so it'll crush it very quickly. But yeah, give it a bit of a nip up guys, and it works a treat. So as you can see, that's with the light on inside it itself. The light isn't super bright, and it's actually kind of on the wrong angle. It shines down instead of out. But other than that, it works a treat. Pretty dark inside, as you can see, quite hot. Just a little bit of sunlight at the moment, guys, and it's really hot in there. So, all right, guys, as I said, don't forget to get in there. Do those brackets up a bit tighter. Material itself is fairly good. It's stock standard these days for pretty much all these awning tents. But other than that, as I said, nice little bit of kit. Okay guys, so that's it all wrapped up. The only good thing I really like about the San Hima toilet awning tent is they actually use proper tie down. No velcros, No little plastic clippy things. You know, good old school D-ring tie down. So, you know, they won't fray. Rarely will they break. But yeah. Of course, guys, you know, last but not least is the same San Hima awning bag. Now, these bags are the same as for the 270 awning and the toilet shower tent are the same. They are massive. Look at the amount of room you actually have in these bags. Alright guys, they got a ton of room. You can put extra poles in and ropes and stuff like that, leave it all set up in here. You could probably even put your bath towel in there if you had to. So guys, that's it all packed up now in its bag. As you can see, look at that. Look at the amount of room you have in that bag itself. So, you know, not like you're trying to jam it in too tight. You can pack it fairly loosely and you have a ton of room. Alright guys, that is the San Hima awning shower toilet tent. Okay guys and girls, just a quick disclaimer here. All the items I have on my vehicle I actually pay full retail price for, including my Lightfox LED spotties, the Lightfox LED light bar, my 270 degree awning through San Hima, and also the new awning shower tent that I've just purchased. I purchased these through Vic Off Road. Guys, if you like the products, jump on their website, check it out. As I said, I pay full retail for all my products. They're true and tested products. Uru for now.